I'm going to show you how using shared numbers in Quo is as easy as buying pie because I don't know how to make pie. Your entire team can take calls, send messages, and build customer relationships from the same number using Quo's web, desktop, or mobile apps simultaneously, no matter where you are. Let me show you how it all works. To invite someone to a shared number who isn't part of your workspace yet, click Invite Your Team in the sidebar. Then enter their email address. You can add multiple people by adding multiple emails separated by a comma, and then assign them to whichever numbers you'd like them to have shared access to. You also have the ability to provide them a new, unique number that is only theirs and they will choose when signing up. Once you've assigned the numbers, decide their workspace role and send the invitation. Note about roles. Members are only able to see the phone numbers and the access that you are providing them. Admins, on the other hand, can update voicemails, business hours, and even edit a numbers call flow. And owners, well, they own. Just kidding. They have access to billing and can manage the entire workspace. If you want to share an existing number with a team member that's already in your workspace, start by clicking Settings from the left-hand menu. Under the Workspace section, click Phone Numbers and select the specific number you would like to share with your team. Then click Add Users and select the name of the team member you'd like to give access from the list. Now, what does sharing numbers look like in practice? Well, when a call comes in, the app rings for everyone that has access to that number, and once a teammate picks up, it stops ringing for the others so they know the call is covered, and a live call notification will show, notifying team members that someone is on an active call with that shared number. You can even see when a team member is currently typing a message to that number, making sure you don't text a customer the same thing twice. If you want to communicate with your teammates without customers seeing, simply tag a teammate in an internal comment. The customer will never see it. And that is how you can start using shared numbers to collaborate on better customer comms with your team members. If you don't have Quo yet, you can explore our entire platform for free by signing up today at Quo.com.